Excel has some new functions that allow analysts to dynamically summarize data by quarter, 6 months, and year. I am planning to make a series of videos how to do it using the following functions: make array, choose columns, choose rows, by row and lambda. Make array formula. I have the following financial data and want to summarize them by quarter, since 6 months, etc. The first step in the calculation process is to dynamically group dates in columns and row dimensions. Make array formula can be used to achieve this. According to Microsoft document, make array returns a calculated array of specified row and column size by applying a lambda. It has the following arguments. Formula calculation steps to group dates using make array. Step 1. Calculate number of columns and rows in the array. Then use lambda to create series of numbers from 1 to 12. There are only 12 dates in the data series above. Use index to pick dates from step 2. Arrange dates in required columns and rows. Step 1. Calculate number of columns and rows in this array. Analyst decides number of rows and columns, group dates. Here the analyst has entered 3 and 4. Step 2. Use lambda to create series of numbers from 1 to 12. Lambda used in make array will repeat the same operations by 3 to 4, that is 12 times. When I use the make array formula, it will produce the following result. You can see the formula has populated 1, 2, 3 in all columns. It is a series of rows starting from 1 and ending 3, but I want a series from 1 to 12. So I need to tell Excel add 3 to column 2, 6 to column 3, and 9 to column 4. The following formula will deliver the result. Using choose, I am asking Excel to add numbers to second and other columns depending on column number. Step 3 and 4. I have the above date range and want to group them in columns and rows using the following number of rows and columns. The following formula will deliver the result. You can see we got dates in column 1, column 2, column 3, and column 4. And each column has 3 dates starting from 31st July 2021 and ending 30th June 2022. When reporting months to change to 6, the above formula will deliver the following result. You can see the formula has populated 6 months in the first and the next 6 months in the second column. This approach can be used to group products, location, etc. depending on what data series users have. In summary, I will post other follow-up videos to explain how to use above dates to summarize data by dates as group above.